Hello, friends. Welcome to Super English Lessons. I'm really happy you're here with us today.
Hi, everyone. Great to see you. Let's have fun and learn English together.
Anna, Tom, are you ready? Today is our cinema day. I've been waiting all week for this. I want popcorn, a big screen, and maybe some dramatic slow-motion scenes.
I'm totally ready. I even wore my movie adventure shoes. They're comfortable and silent, so I don't disturb anyone when I walk.
Silent shoes? Are you planning to sneak into the movie like a spy?
Not exactly, but you never know. Maybe if the movie is boring, I'll sneak out for more popcorn.
Okay, let's go. The cinema is not far, so we can walk and talk.
Perfect. Walking with you is like watching a warm-up episode before the main movie.
Look, the weather today is so nice. The sky is clear. It feels like the world is telling us, go enjoy a good movie.
Yeah, and the birds are singing. Maybe they are warming up their voices for the opening soundtrack.
Tom, you are impossible. So, what movie are we watching again?
It's the new adventure comedy. People say it's very funny, but also has great action scenes.
Best combination. If we laugh and then go, whoa, every 5 minutes, that's perfect.
Exactly. Plus, I like the main actor. He's so expressive. His face always looks like he's about to sneeze.
That's true. He's like, I will save the world after this sneeze. Okay, we're almost at the cinema. Look at the building. So huge, so many posters.
I love how cinemas always try to look bigger than life. Like they're saying, come inside. Reality is boring. We have better stuff.
And they're not wrong. Which entrance do we use?
The main one. I like the red carpet decoration. It makes me feel famous.
True. Whenever I walk on that carpet, I feel like people should take pictures. Yes, Tom arriving at the cinema, stunning outfit, popcorn ready.
Tom arriving confidently, ready to judge the movie like a professional critic.
All right, here we go. Let's push the door.
Wait, no, that's the wrong one. That's the emergency exit.
Oh, oops. Okay, this one. They enter the cinema.
Wow, it smells like popcorn paradise inside.
And nachos and hot dogs and... Oh no, I'm hungry now. Tom, you're always hungry. Even if we ate a full dinner, you'd say, I feel a snack coming.
I can't help it. Cinema food has superpowers.
Oh, look at that line for tickets. It's long.
Yeah, but that's okay. We have time. And lines are the best place to listen to random conversations.
True. Last time I heard a guy say, I'm not afraid of the dark, I'm afraid of movie prices.
Cinema prices are scary. Popcorn sometimes costs more than gold.
Okay, we're slowly moving. I hope they still have tickets for our movie.
Don't worry. Even if it's full, we can watch something else.
No, I want this one. I've been waiting. I even watched reviews.
Wow. Anna the movie researcher?
Finally, our turn.
Great. Let me talk. I can use my cinema voice.
What is that?
It's when I speak clearly, but politely, like I'm ordering something very important.
They walk to the counter.
Hello. 2 tickets for the 4:30 adventure comedy, please.
Cashier. Seats in the center or on the side? Center, please.
Yes, we like to be surrounded by action.
Cashier. All right, here you go. Enjoy the movie. Thank you.
Look at that. Perfect seats.
Yay. Okay, now the second important step. Snacks.
Yes, very important. I'm ready.
They walk to the snack bar. Look at all this. Popcorn, nachos, candy, chocolate, everything.
And the popcorn machine is working full power. I love that sound. Poof, poof, poof.
It smells amazing.
What size do you want?
Medium. Not too big, not too small.
I'll take large. If I don't finish it, I'll take it home for dinner.
Tom, popcorn is not dinner.
It can be, if you believe.
Okay, I want medium sweet popcorn.
And I want salty, the classic.
Should we get one big drink to share?
Sure, but don't drink too much. I don't want you running out during the movie.
I'll try. They get their snacks.
Okay, now we need to find our hall. It says Hall 5.
Right there. And look, the doors are already open.
Let's go.
They walk inside the dark hall. Wow, it's dark already.
Yes, I feel like a ninja walking inside.
Careful, don't kick someone's popcorn.
Oh yes, one time I accidentally kicked a nacho. The crunch echoed through the entire hall.
Okay, here are our seats. Row 7, seats 12 and 13.
Great, and nobody around yet.
Perfect. I love getting comfortable before the ads start.
I think the movie will be fun.
I hope so. I'm ready to laugh.
And I'm ready to be dramatic.
Oh no, here we go.
If the music gets intense, I'll whisper. Anna, destiny calls.
Tom, you are ridiculous. Okay, the lights are going down. That means it's starting. Trailers first. I love trailers. It feels like I'm getting a preview of the whole universe of movies.
Yeah, sometimes I like the trailers more than the actual movie. A trailer plays loudly. Whoa, that was intense.
Too intense. I think the trailer had more explosions than a real war.
True.
Another trailer starts.
This one looks funny.
I'd watch it.
Same.
Finally, the main movie begins.
Oh, look at that intro.
The colors, the music, epic.
I love it already. The main character looks confused.
He always looks confused. That's his charm.
He's like, where am I? Why am I here? Why is this popcorn so expensive? Oh no, I hope nobody heard me. It's okay. People are laughing too.
Time passes during the movie.
Oh, wow. Did you see that stunt?
Yes, he jumped like a superhero.
If I tried that, I'd break my knees.
You? You'd break everything.
True.
The scene is so sweet.
Very romantic.
I love when movies add a little romance.
Same. It softens the explosions.
Oh no, the villain.
He looks scary and annoyed.
Maybe he didn't get his popcorn.
Probably. I'm also scary when I don't get popcorn.
The big emotional scene plays.
Wow.
This part is beautiful.
Yes. I like when movies make us feel something.
I agree. My heart is soft right now.
Mine too. Maybe too soft. I feel like melted chocolate.
A loud action scene starts again.
Ah!
Tom, it's just the movie.
I know, but it surprised me.
You're too reactive.
Yes. My soul jumps before my brain does.
A funny joke happens on screen. Okay, that was good.
Yes, the timing was perfect.
Comedy is an art.
Anna, I think this is one of the best movies we've watched this year.
I agree. It's funny, exciting, emotional, everything at once.
And the popcorn is great too.
Tom, stop eating so fast. You'll finish your giant bucket in 5 minutes.
Too late.
What? Already?
Yes, I have no regrets.
Look, this scene is coming. Everyone online talked about it.
Oh, the legendary scene.
Yes, watch carefully.
I'm focusing all my brain cells. All 3 of them.
You're too much.
The legendary scene plays.
Whoa.
They weren't joking.
See? It's amazing.
The music, the slow motion, the joke at the end, perfect combination.
Exactly.
I think I want to watch this movie again later.
Me too. Maybe next week.
Actually, maybe tomorrow.
Relax, cinema marathon man.
The movie continues. Oh, look, another action scene.
The choreography is so good.
I love when the camera spins like that. It makes everything dramatic.
Yes, but if they spin too much, we'll all get dizzy.
True. Then the whole hall will start walking like newborn giraffes. That mental image, wow.
The villain is back. He really wants to win this time.
But he won't.
Of course, the hero always wins.
Maybe one day a movie will surprise us.
Maybe, but not today.
The final battle begins. Oh, this is it!
The climax.
The big moment.
The super duper epic finale.
My popcorn senses are tingling.
You already ate all your popcorn.
I know. That's why they're only senses now.
Wow, did you see that kick?
Yes, that was insane. And that explosion.
And that slow motion hair flip.
Truly, the most important part, the hair flip.
Obviously.
The villain is defeated.
Finally.
That was satisfying.
So satisfying.
A soft, emotional ending plays.
Aw, don't aw, Tom.
I can't help it. It's cute.
It is cute.
I like when movies end with warmth.
Me too. Movies should leave you smiling.
The screen fades to black. Is that the end?
Yes, it is.
Wow, time passed so fast.
That's when you know the movie was good.
The lights slowly turn on. Ah, the bright light.
Tom, you act like a vampire every time the lights come on.
I was comfortable in the darkness. Now reality hurts my eyes.
Okay, let's stand up.
Wow, my legs are asleep.
That's because you didn't move for 2 hours.
I didn't want to miss a second.
They walk out of the row.
Careful, careful.
Don't step on that empty candy wrapper.
Too late.
Sticky.
Very sticky.
They exit the cinema hall. That was great.
Amazing.
My favorite part was the emotional scene.
My favorite was the giant explosion.
Of course.
Boom is life.
Should we take a picture in front of the movie poster?
Yes, we need proof we had fun.
We always have fun.
True, but the world needs to see it.
They stand by the poster. Okay, smile.
I am smiling.
That's your smile?
Yes, it's a cinema smile.
It looks like you're trying not to sneeze.
Okay. New smile.
Anna takes the picture. Perfect.
Nice. They walk toward the exit.
You know what I loved most? The movie?
Yes, but also the whole experience. The walk, the jokes, the snacks.
True. Going to the cinema is not just about watching a movie.
It's a whole adventure.
Exactly.
I also like how people react differently. Some laugh loudly, some whisper, some get scared.
And some eat popcorn like wild animals.
Are you talking about me?
Maybe.
I admit it. I become popcorn monster.
They step outside onto the street. Oh, wow. The air feels so good after the warm cinema air.
Fresh and cool. Perfect.
What time is it?
Only 7:30.
So early.
We can still take a walk.
Or we can grab something to eat.
Something other than popcorn.
Yes, real food.
Fine.
They start walking. You know what I loved?
The main character's expressions.
Yes, every moment he looked confused but determined.
And his hair survived everything.
Even the explosions.
Amazing hair.
Legendary hair.
Did you like the soundtrack?
Yes, the music made everything so dramatic.
True. If I had that soundtrack in my daily life, even brushing my teeth would feel epic.
And making breakfast would feel like saving the world.
Exactly.
What about the romance part?
I liked it. Simple but sweet.
The chemistry was nice.
Yes, they looked natural together.
Better than some movies where the actors look like they'd rather be anywhere else.
True.
And the villain?
Good. Not too scary, not too silly.
Balanced.
Like a spicy curry.
Tom, why curry?
I'm hungry.
Oh boy.
They continue walking. Should we go get some dessert?
Dessert? After popcorn?
Yes. I have a second stomach for sweets.
Okay, let's get something small.
Ice cream?